Cindy, Chris Hampson 191 line dancing. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the line dance called Glass of Wine. So I'm going to be doing the dance for you. I'll do a little demo and then I'm going to break it down step by step. The dance has 32 counts, so that's 4 sections of 8. So I'm going to break it down into those sections so that you can learn the dance. So the dance goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the full dance. So let me break that down now into the sections. Okay, so section 1, 8 counts. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you put your weight on your left and you step with your right, so it's called a stomp. And then you lean on your right and you do a heel, toe, heel. And then you take your left foot, stomp that one down, heel, toe, heel. Now this dance, you need to take really small steps. I'll do the first 8 counts again. This time I'll sing out the steps. So it's a stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel. So the weight's on the right, heel, toe, heel. Weights on the left, heel, toe, heel. So the count for that section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's section 1. From there, we're going to go on to section 2. We're going to go backwards and I'll show you what that looks like. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So once we finish our heel, toe, heel on this side, we got to transfer our weight. So we can step back with the right, together. And then the left, together, right, together, left, together. Okay, so we're just walking backwards. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we just put our toe here. It's just a touch because we're going to get ready for the 3rd section. So let me start off by doing section 1 and section 2 together. Okay, so in 5, 6, 7, 8, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to get ready to do the next step, section 3. So let me show you what that looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I will break that down into a smaller section. How about we do 2 sections of 4? Okay, so the first 4 counts, take our right foot to the right, our left foot goes behind, take another step with the right, and our left foot goes forward. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. See where we're switching out our weight. Weights on our right, weights on our left. Weights on our right, weights on our left. Okay, so once we do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, weights on our left. Now we're going to do the last 4 counts, and it's going to be a rock, recover with a cross together. So it's rock, recover, cross, together. Okay, so we're here. That's count number 4. So it's 5, weights over here, 6, now our weights over here, 7, weights up on the foot that's crossed in front, 8. So now our weight is back on the left. Okay, so let's put it all together. So it's cross, behind, cross, forward, rock, recover, cross, together. Okay, so let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's step behind, step forward, rock, recover, cross, together. So that is section 3. So let's go ahead and put all 3 sections together. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to do it a little bit faster to bring it up to the speed of the song. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Good job. Okay, so we got one section left. I'll show you section 4 and then we'll break it down. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay, so from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that much first. Okay, so we're gonna lean back, which for 1, our weight is on our right hip. So we kind of give a little twist to our hips a little bit. So that's 1, 2, we put our weight back on our left. And then for 3, we're gonna take a step forward for 3, and then we're gonna turn for 4. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. With the steps, it's rock back, recover, step with your right, turn to the left. So that's 4 counts. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to finish it with a 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a jazz box. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. A jazz box, we're going to take our right, cross it over our left. We're going to take our weight back onto our left hip. Square up by taking a step to the right. And then we put our left foot next to that. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. The jazz box, take our right foot, cross it over our left, then we're going to lean back on our left and do a step together. So the last 4 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, or the last 4 steps is cross, back, step, together. Okay, so let me put it together for you. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so rock back, forward, step, and turn, cross, back, step, together. So that's the 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's section 4, so that's the whole dance. So let's do that slowly. We'll do all 4 sections. Okay, so in 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go back and we're going to make a turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it up to speed, okay? In 5, 6, 7, 8, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 is stomp, heel, toe, heel. Stomp, heel, toe, heel. Step together, step together, step together, step together. Step behind, step forward, rock, recover, cross together. Rock, recover, step and turn, jazz, box, quarter turn. So now we start the dance again, wall 2 from here. All right. So stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Step, back, step, back, step, back, step, back. Great foot to the right, forward, rock, recover, cross together. Rock, recover, step and turn, jazz, box, quarter turn. Okay, this time I'll do it with the counts. And 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, while 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the whole dance. We just did 4 walls. So stay tuned next week for my next video, and I'll see you then on the dance floor.